What's up, it's me, I am Borai. How are you mga bebe kongkong? And for today's video, we will be unboxing and reviewing another product. And this video will be unedited. It's gonna be raw and in all honesty and pure honesty. Okay, so let's get started in 3, 2, 1. Welcome back. So let's start it. So I got this product from Shopee. So there you go, delivered by Shopee Express. And I got this from a flash sale, and I'll be leaving the link on the description box below. So let's open the package. Alright, so mura ko lang itong nabili kasi sale. Ayan. So the standard packaging, and then it's on bubble wrap. Okay? So maganda yung bubble wrap niya, hindi yung bubble wrap na madami. Mas makapal yung pagkaka-bubble wrap. See? Looks like an ice candy. Pwedeng laruan ng mga bata. Diba? They can use it as a costume. Great idea. Alright. So, there. It's a hair iron. Again, a hair iron. And a little disclaimer, this is not a sponsored video. So, inside the box, we have the product itself, the hair iron, and the instruction manual. There, this instruction guide. Alright. So let's read first some of the features or control features. So it says that it has tourmaline plates. Let's see the product. Okay. So this flat iron, oops. Yeah. Hi, there you go. It does not have the rotating cord. Okay. And then it says here that it has a tourmaline plate. Yeah, maybe this is a tourmaline plate, pero yeah, I think it's a tourmaline plate. May tourmaline coating. And then fast heat up time. It has a power indicator. Okay, yeah, it has a power indicator, and then a temperature indicator. So it's from 160 Celsius or centigrade up to 220 Celsius or centigrade. And then automatic temperature control swivel cord. It does not have a swivel cord though. Alright. So from judging, okay naman siya. So let's try and check. Tanggalin natin yung cable tie. I hope that this product is hot enough. So 45 watts, 110 to 220 volts. Okay, so may voltage regulator na siya sa loob. Alright, and then the power button is here. Ayan. There. So if you press na natin power button, there. Okay, so it's starting at a lower temp. Hindi nagpo-focus yung camera. Wait. Ayaw niya talaga. Oh, sorry. So, yan. Lagyan natin siya sa highest setting. And then, let's wait for the product to heat up. Ayan, mainit na siya, guys. Umiinit talaga siya. So, tama yung sinabi niya na fast heat up. So, seconds pa lang. Let's get a clip. Okay, I'm using an alligator hair clip. So, let's iangat lang natin ako yung camera para makita nyo. Nakikita nyo yung bubong ko doon. Mas maganda kung i-clip nyo muna yung hair nyo. Siya. Maybe I'll use my gloves for pasok. I usually use gloves when ironing. Kasi mainit. Papasok. There. Kasi ginagamit kong tail comb. What I'm using here is a high temperature or high temperature resistant comb. Okay, hindi naman siya nangangagat or nangangain. And it seems doing its job. Yes, madula siya, guys. There. Okay, so patay ulit ng another partition. Let's check. Clip. As you can see, naunat niya. Yeah. Naunat niya. Makakapal pa yung pag section ko. At hindi siya nangangagat, hindi siya nangangain ng hair. There. Yeah. It's doing its job. So So, yun lang naman yung tinitingnan din natin sa plancha kung mainit pa siya and at the same time, hindi siya nangangagat or nangangain ng buhok. And kawawa naman yung ating mga customers or kawawa naman tayo kung gagamitin lang natin siya pang personal use. Kung masakit siyang pang plancha dahil nangangain. Okay? Or nangangagat ng buhok. So, I believe I got this only for less than 500 pesos. So, this is already a good deal. Kasi kagaya naman siya ng actually kamukha siya nung ginagamit ko din na plancha. So, kaiba lang sila ng brand pero makuha sila. This is actually better than the CKE hair iron. As a hair straightener, pretty much, yes. Malalaki pa yung pagsa-section ko guys, ha? Mga bebe ko. Pero, plancha niya, kahit na malaki yung section. Sabi natin na this is good item. Right there. Meron pang mga ano dito. Alright. Yes, it is straightening. Alright, so, yeah. So, approved. Now, let's check kung kaya niya mag-curl. Kasi yung plancha ko nakakapag-curl. Kuha lang tayo ng konti na hair. Let's see if mag-curl niya. medyo malapad yung plancha, so maganda siya na magiging malapad din yung, or magiging malalaki din yung curls. Yes, it does. Alright. Gusto nyo yung keme-keme, mag-volume, lagyan nyo ng konting curls yung hair nyo. This is a good product. So I recommend this, and then I'll be giving it a 5 out of 5 stars. Hindi ko kasi sinasubmit yung product review nito, so I'll be reviewing the product 5 out of 5, and I'll be leaving a link of my product review doon para makita din naman ng ibang mga bibili yung aking review sa product nito. Check na natin tong front na medyo mahaba. Okay, turn. Ang ganda, oh, may volume yung hair. See? It's really nice. So, ayan. And then you just have to put a little spray net, and there you go. Pwede na party! Yeah. So, I recommend this, guys. I'll be leaving the link on the description box below. And please, if you like this video, please hit the thumbs up button. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to my channel. And hit the notification bell, click all, so that you'll get updated every time I post a new video. And see you again in my next video. Bye! Thumbs up. A-OK product. Bye!